So you want to know what your AI is doing midway. That's get move status. Now it tells you if your AI is still moving, has succeeded, or failed to reach the destination. To get this node, you have to right click and type get move status as you see on the screen, and you will get this node. For now, as you can see, the target is AI controller, which means it will show up in this AI controller event graph only. Now, as you can see, we are following from our previous tutorial where we made a function that stops the movement randomly between 3 to 10 seconds, and we just added one small addition by adding sequence where it will be looped in zero point 0.2 seconds to check whether the NPC is still moving. If it's still moving, it will be true and the loop will continue. The moment it stop moving, the loop will return false, and then it will print stop moving, yeah, or stopped moving in this 10-second duration, and we will know that the NPC stopped moving. And for other cases, you will know how to play the other part of the logic or something else you want. Means you can experiment yourself. So for now, let's just click play, and as you can see, we have nothing printed on, but the moment they stopped, we got the print string stopped moving, as you can see on the screen. So it's a super useful node, as you can change behaviors, patrol until success, or chase until fail, or trigger event when movement ends. All these things can be done using the AI move to tool, because it returns if it's failed or it's success. But when the player actually interrupts an NPC and you want to know whether it interrupted or it standard in front of it, only then something wants to be triggered. Then only this node will come into play. So it has a very specific use case scenario. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.